Hey guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a paper airplane. You'll need one piece of paper and hands, bare hands. What you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to do this. Just follow the steps I do. And you guys will eventually learn how to make a paper airplane. So first of all, you do this with the triangle, and you do it for the other side. Oh my god. Wait a second, you two. Well, it's not really that hard to make one, but it is kind of hard. So you do that. Now fold this part to the other side, like that. Make it like that. And do it for the same side. Do that. Well, it doesn't have to be the same looking. So now fold this part, like, you make a crease like that, and then you do this. You do that. Then make the wings are like this. Make it like that, as you can see, and then fold it slightly with your not with the palm, but with this thing here, with this thing. So when you do that, you do the other side, and I think you have yourself a paper airplane. There. Now open it up like that, and you'll have a paper airplane. Well, it doesn't look that good, but looks great to fly. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you on how to make a paper airplane. Subscribe, rate, comment, like, subscribe. Bye.